Hey, Bula guys, this is us again. Our trip to Viani Bay in South Sabo, installing a 5 kilowatt system for customer. Just approaching Levu village now. This is the landing. The boys are just offloading our stuff here, waiting for the boat to arrive and take us to the site. As soon as we reach there, the boys just light up a fire and get some dinner for us. And we wired up the same solar system it's going to install just to light us up during that night. But the next morning, we started working the panels, and the boys a bit struggle on this side of the roof, trying to mount the rails and putting up panels was a bit hard, but they managed to wire up all the panels. We laid around 12 SunPower panels on this installation. And this is the small compartment where the board and all the electronic is being placed. We put down the batteries at the bottom of the house. It's well ventilated and secure. Yeah. And this is the color control unit, always the heart of the system with all our Victron installation. And it displays all the live data, power that coming in from the panel, state of charge of the batteries, and the AC load, what the consumption has been consumed at the moment. Time to say goodbye again. Hope you guys like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.